Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make handmade jewelry. First, gather your essential tools, including round nose pliers, wire cutters, and crimping pliers. Next, select your materials. Consider different types of beads, jewelry wire, and secure clasps. Understanding basic techniques like creating simple loops and wire wrapping is crucial for building a strong foundation in jewelry making. These initial steps will set you up for success. Once you have your tools and materials, focus on mastering key techniques. Learning to create secure wire loops is fundamental for connecting various components like beads and charms. Practice wire wrapping to add both decorative flair and structural integrity to your pieces. Finally, master crimping beads to ensure your necklaces and bracelets have a professional and durable finish. Now for the creative part, designing your jewelry. Start by planning your design, perhaps sketching it out or arranging your beads on a mat to visualize the final look. Consider different color palettes and bead sizes to create visual interest and balance. When assembling, work carefully, ensuring all connections are secure and that your piece flows together beautifully. After assembling your beautiful piece, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully inspect your handmade jewelry for durability and overall aesthetics, making sure everything is secure. Add any final touches, such as polishing metal components or securing any loose ends. Your unique creation is now ready to be worn or gifted. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.